Hey there, I'm Jazz.
And I'm Ed.
And together we're Be Human First. And today we're in our nation's capital, London, and it's snowing.
And it's brilliant because we're getting an opportunity to work with a great team that just come together and help them accelerate their integration by helping them look at some of the Be Human First things about getting together as a team.
And it's not just lenses, we're looking at tools too. People are going to have their own impact roadmap with a toolkit of how to be human first. It's going to be good.
Let's get cracking. In order for you to show up, you need to know who you are.
We spend a lot of time thinking about the last 20 minutes and not a lot of time thinking about the last 20 years.
We always like to think we're very unique and we're special. You're all very predictable. Every conversation, every interaction starts off with one of these lenses because it's who we are by what we call our DNA, our psychological DNA.
So if we tell a story, you know, you say it once and you hear it twice because you've got 2 ears, 1 mouth. Every time you say, oh, I'm crap at that, oh, I'm not very good at that, oh, I'm rubbish at that, it goes in and has an impact.
We work with a lot of people around the world where they've spent so many years being this person, it's exhausting, but they can't let go of it.
The story you tell yourself about yourself is really important. So there we have it, another day, and this time what a fantastic team of everyday heroes. We got to talk to them about the difference they make and the impact they have to help them tell a more compelling story about who they are.
And it's really good because they all lent into the journey and really understanding themselves a little bit further.
We won't let snow and ice cold winds dampen our mood. It's all about being human first. To London!
All right.
It's freezing.
Let's get cracking.